read the exact same thing. Yay! Oh, I love that.
No problem. Cool cat.
Yeah.
We're sitting on the barrel.
Hey guys, I know it's been a while since we've been in this room sitting down doing vlogging style videos. I've been meaning to do more of these, so if you want more, you know, chatty stuff or mer-mail stuff, let me know in the comments below. I'm so excited to do this particular video because we're doing a very special mer-mail unboxing today, and it's a dedicated special unboxing, one box. We're gonna come back on here and catch up on all the other mer-mail because I'm real embarrassingly behind, so stay tuned for that. But today I'm all extra because I've got a photo shoot that I'm heading off to. As soon as I open this box, I'm going to be wearing what's in this box, so I just wanted to get a little extra sparkly and a little crazy today because we have some very magical, quirky, Disney epic fashion in here, and so I wanted to try to do something fun and unique to go along with. And by the way, I did not get my septum pierced too. It's just a fun little clip-on that I opened up in one of my past mer-mail unboxings. So let's go ahead and open up this package and I will reveal who sent it. The box is even so pretty. Okay, are you guys ready for this?
Okay, let me get the big shipping box out of the way.
So what we have here is one of my favorite brands in the whole world, Irregular Choice, and you guys, can you read that? Hopefully it's focusing. I'm gonna put it right in front of my face. Disney Princess, Irregular Choice, and Disney Princess. There is nothing better. There's nothing more magical than this. Irregular Choice is launching a Disney Princess collection. I was honored to be one of the chosen few to get to check these out early. So I'm filming this before these actually have been released, so you can check these out now. I'm so honored and excited to be collaborating with them. I've just been obsessed with them for years and years, and my personal style, when I'm not in pajamas, because I work from home when I'm not filming, or if I'm not in a costume, but my personal style, I don't know if you can tell from my outfit today, but it's kind of quirky. Half of my wardrobe is black and dark colors and very goth, and the other half of it, I love things that are inspired by cartoon characters and anime characters and just, you know, pieces that when you see people wearing them walking down the street, you're like, that's super weird, but I love it. I love a statement piece, and Irregular Choice is absolutely that. Everything they make is stunning and a conversation starter and just literally a work of art. Everything they make is so beautiful, and the attention to detail is phenomenal. I've worn a couple other pairs of their shoes in the past for photo shoots. I wore a pair to Dapper Day with my Ariel Disney bound, and then I wore my favorite pair right now, until I open this box, probably, I don't even know. I love them all so much for different reasons, but my favorite pair that I own right now is a pair of sparkly heels with The heel of the shoe is a mushroom. I will insert a photo here. They have flowers on the toe and a butterfly on the back, and they reminded me so much of Alice in Wonderland. I like died. Some of their stuff is actual Disney, and sometimes it just reminds me of Disney and fairy tales and everything magical. So let's go ahead and open this up. The first is Snow White, along with Mulan, who is another one of my favorite princesses. But today we are opening up the Snow White. This is one of the pairs of shoes in the Snow White collection. So let's check it out. These boxes are so cute. I keep them and put my crafty stuff in them because they're so pretty. Or you can keep your shoes in them, obviously. I like to display my shoes in my closet where I can see them every day because they make me so happy. Even the tissue paper is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm making a mess. Ah. These are so cute. Okay, hang on. I gotta like take this in for a minute. This is too much. These are so cute. Okay, so here's the first shoe. These are the Whistle While You Work shoes. And look, there's a little bow on Snow White's head that pops out, a little sparkly bow. There's sparkles on the inside, dwarves on the outside, and beautiful teal on the back, and even the inside of the shoe. This is one of the things I love about them. The inside of the shoe and the bottom of the shoe are so beautiful. There's no detail that goes unnoticed, and they just, well, there's a little heart on the inside. They just do such an amazing job, and it kills me because they're so pretty. I feel like I need to get like a clear covering for the sole of the shoe so I don't mess up the beautiful art. They're so special. So, okay, that's the first one. This was my favorite one. And the second one, it's got Dopey on there. We have Grumpy on the toe. Sparkles again on the inside. Teal on the back. Beautiful inside. Beautiful sole. Beautiful sole. And these are the Whistle While You Work Snow White shoes. There they are. Magical. So cute. So I'm going to be wearing these today in just a little bit. I have a second outfit as well, so we'll be doing 2 looks. I'm going to be wearing these and then another item which I'm about to show you right now. Okay, so the second item they sent is a pair of tights. They're the 7 dwarf tights, and they're so cute. If you could see them, they're purple, and they have the dwarves all over them. And once again, the box is just stunning. The packaging, everything about this. Let's take them out and take a look. So cute. Oh my gosh. They're so soft too. They're gonna be so comfy, and they actually feel like nice and thick, so they'll be good for colder weather too. Here in California, where you can just wear tights when it's cold. So today I'm gonna be wearing these with this outfit, and I was going for kind of like a dopey Disney bound, and I want to take you guys with me. So in the next clips, you're gonna be seeing me and my dear friend Amber Arden, who is like the real life Snow White. I couldn't resist doing a shoot with her for this special collaboration, and I chose Dopey, my favorite dwarf, to Disney bound as. Funny enough, I was realizing last night when I was like putting everything together, I was like, okay, Dopey wears green and purple, and I think I might have accidentally just put together an Ariel Disney bound. But then today I threw together this hat that I'm gonna wear, hopefully, as long as it looks okay, that has like the crystals and stuff to kind of look like the diamonds in the mine. I'm working on it. But anyways, I'm excited. So come along with us. We're gonna go do this magical Disney bound photo shoot, and I can't wait for you guys to come along and see the adventure. shooting at the Briar Rose Winery with Amber Arden, and we got our dudes.
Yeah.
Mild camera emergency, but we're dealing with it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great.
So fun. And I have this awesome purse.
Amber is repping Irregular Choice, as am I, in my tights. So fun.
Knock, knock, revolution's at your door. 'Cause you've been taking every piece of me for granted, and I'm tired of the way you're wired. You make solutions of illusions, and I've tried to break up with your delusions. Watch me fly, fly, fly. You've been taking it all for nothing. You've been taking my love for nothing. Now you've been taking it all for nothing. In return, you've been taking it all for nothing. You've been taking my love for nothing. Now you've been taking it all for nothing. In return. 'Cause you've been taking every piece of me for granted, and I'm tired of the way you're wired. You make solutions of illusions, and I've tried to break up with your delusions. Watch me fly, fly, fly.
Oh, no, 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 no. No more of that ever again.
I don't know what that is, but it
Winging on the
looks
ass, go
good.
winging in the. Do you want to fight? I got winging inside there.
Oh, no, we're okay.
Eric, give me a 1, 2, 3 because I'm blind. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
It's doing the curly paw.
That's probably lapping up some wine.
Just really too cool. Just hanging back head. Just chilling.
Sorry, that's stupid.
You guys, wave at the camera.
Yes. But should we get out of the dirt maybe? And
Yeah.
Get, like on
Yeah. Wave at the camera.
That's cute.
Oh, cute.
Cute.
When the cat outshines the model. Try.
Like that's what I want to. That's what I want to
She's dopey, the dope.
I like it when you do the like long leg though, like on the bottom, like when you're
A
down,
long
like.
leg.
Be a dwarf.
I didn't like it today. So I don't. Hip hop. Let's get this real quick.
Because I really like it with you, honestly.
Sorry, we've been distracted.
I did. Was kind of.
And if they don't like if you don't like them, then it's totally fine. You don't have to post them. Like
Are we good? I can't see anything.
yeah, we're going. We're
Are we
going.
going? Okay.
Yeah.
No, you first.
Oh,
Too late.
Hello, camera. How you doing?
The photos there?
Photos, yeah. Great.
No, well, too bad. Oh, hey, how's it going?
I like your feet.
What if I just sit? That works.
Ooh, that's cute.
Cute. I love that. I like that one. I love that one. Yeah.
Angle on it.
We'll see if that'll do.
Is this, I don't know, is it my legs that are short? Is that what it is?
I think we're both just short.
Yeah, I know. I know. It's.
Do I have to hear that?
What's so short about me? Everything. That's a good thing.
Getting that sick lens flare there, Eric?
Absolutely.
I love me a lens flare. Flaring from the left side.
1, 2,
Oh, wait.
and 3.
Lens flare.
Okay.
Thank you again so much to Irregular Choice for collaborating with me, for being kind enough to send me these beautiful, beautiful shoes. Check them out at the link in the description box below if you guys want to shop this collection or any of the new upcoming Disney Princess collections they have coming out over the next few months. If you want to keep in touch with me, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, just my name at Traci Hines. You'll be able to see the final results and the photos from today, as well as all of the music and behind the scenes and cosplay and just all the fun stuff that I get to do every week. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more music and videos coming soon. Click that little bell icon if you want to be the first to see new videos. Comment below and let me know your favorite character to Disney bound as. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.